Today is December 28th. The market has essentially um, essentially brought me to reality. And so currently I'm in demand demo mode, and I've set out on a trade with a 2-to-1 ratio, gaining 2R for 1R risk. I currently have a high beta, high ATR stock, which is Boeing. I'm looking at the Dow, and it's currently, it seems to be forming a bottom here, but it was trending down, which is an indication that it's bearish. NASDAQ is also a similar story, although it started out at near where the opening is. It's neutral at this point. And I'm looking at the VIX, and VIX is indicating that it's bearish, that the volatility index. I got in, I placed my trade, and I have a I bought a put because the VWAP, volume weighted average price, is indicating that the price is essentially decreasing, which means if the current stock price is below the VWAP, it is a general indication that it is bearish. So the Dow Jones, where the Boeing belongs to, is concurring with a bearish indication, as well as the VWAP of the stock is showing a bearish tendencies. Now right there, it actually triggered, and I sold for a profit of 2-to-1. Now I'm going to keep practicing this over and over and over, simply to obtain essentially just get a small piece of it, and increase my gains by perpetually trading multiple times, foregoing any greater gain than the set amount that I have. And I will use the play-by-play over and over on the sheer number of trades to compensate for any home run possibilities that could have existed. And therefore, even so, that means that I can essentially take a small slice of a stock's movement and take advantage of that, even if for some reason there's a drastic move that occurs from this point, and that would provide a maybe 10R kind of a movement. The interest that I have is to make as many trades as possible with the higher percentage of the win to loss ratios, whereupon the wins that I have is a double of the loss that I have. And I will keep doing that. And eventually, by making the right trades, I improve my returns, as well as increasing, that will automatically allow my account to grow naturally.